Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to create an AI avatar in Leonardo AI. First, you need to open any browser and log in to Leonardo AI. If you are not logged in, you can watch my previous video. The link is in the description. Just click on the link and you will be able to access it easily. Let's see how we can create it in this AI avatar in Leonardo AI. As soon as you log in, you can see here. These are the avatars that different people have created. You can also create such avatars. There are many options in this. In the coming videos, you will get to see many videos of this, so stay tuned to the channel. Let's go and create an avatar. For this, AI image generator. Click on it. After clicking, it will start opening. As soon as it opens, you will get a prompt first. You can also create something by writing on the prompt, but we want to create an avatar of our picture. For this, you need to scroll down a little on the left side. Scroll down a little and come down. Click here. After clicking, a new prompt will open in front of you. As soon as the prompt opens, you just need to select your image from your computer. After selecting, you just need to double-click on it, and it will come directly to Leonardo AI. As soon as it is uploaded to Leonardo AI, you just need to write in the prompt. Create an avatar. After writing, you will get a button below. Click on the Generate button. After clicking, you just need to wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, your avatar will be created. Now everyone can see your image that you uploaded. And these images that you have generated, they are exactly the same, just they are avatars of the photo. It was such an easy job. If you want to download it, you just need to bring your cursor over the image you want to download. And here you will get a download button. By clicking on it, you can easily download it. It will be downloaded in 2 to 3 seconds. Look, it has already been downloaded. So this is how you can create an AI avatar in Leonardo AI. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.